Whether you like it or not, Christmas is right around the corner, and to help you with your gift getting, we thought we'd put together a gift guide perfect for people new to the hobby. First up, let's start with a train set. My favourite is the Red Rover train set. It comes with everything you need to kickstart your journey: tracks, controller, locomotive and rolling stock. We offer various sets, but the key question is, what era is the person you're buying for interested in? You can create a time-travelling layout with different locomotives and rolling stock from various periods, but most modelers have their favourites. Now perhaps you're after some stocking fillers. We have a wide range of Christmas themed rolling stock, but my highlight of this year's range has to be the 2023 Christmas wagon. Perfect for someone who got a locomotive for Christmas last year and is now in need of some snazzy new rolling stock. Speaking of Christmas sets, we recommend the Santa's Express train set. It's a fantastic gift option for the build up to Christmas, for Christmas Day, and a great decoration for under the tree. Perhaps the person you're buying for is into their classics and are looking for a locomotive that matches their tastes. Look no further than Smokey Joe. Smokey Joe has been in our range uninterrupted for nearly 40 years. Now for the adult who loves a bit of fizzy pop, but also loves Christmas. Check out the Coca Cola Christmas set, fit with everything they'll need to get started. Perhaps you've been trying to nudge the youngsters or grandkids into the world of modelling. Well, check out the Family Fun Project. It's a splendid opportunity to embark on that dream layout building adventure. This project delivers all the track, scenic enhancements, locomotives and rolling stock you'll need. And what if you've heard the same plea for a train set year after year, but you've shrugged and said, "Sorry, we just don't have the space"? Well, worry no more, because we've got you covered with the Hornby TT120, the Easterner train set. It's smaller in scale but big on detail, so perfect for those tight spaces. Now we all know the flashy stuff gets the headlines at Christmas, but sometimes we just need something practical. How is the person you're buying for going to run all their new flashy locomotives without some track? We have a wide range of track extension packs that'll fit nice and snug in your stockings. Finally, we have one for someone who doesn't quite know what they want yet, the Hornby 2023 catalogue. Give them this and a pen and let them go crazy for a few hours, circling what they want, and you have cracked the code for next year's Christmas. Well, those are our top gift ideas for beginners. What's on your wish list this Christmas? Do let us know in the comments below. And if you're still stuck for gifts, don't worry, there'll be plenty more gift guides on the channel, so why not subscribe?